am the returning officer.
Bonus up now.
2023 Oredo Federal Constituency election, which was held on the 25th day of February 2023. The election was contested. Six different candidates. Figures for all of them.
Yes.
Political party AA had 124. ADC 694. APC 15,747. LP 49,893. NNPP 609. PDP 11,889. SDP 130. ZLP 687. Having satisfied the requirements of the law, so the winner is Iyawe Eseosa from Labour. He scored 49,893. Thank you.
It's a well-deserved victory. I'm Comrade Owolo Innocent, ADG to Iyawe. In fact, from the onset, I know the victory is ours because he's a very, very hard-working man, a man of excellence, a man that knows what he's doing. So on that note, in fact, we want to use this opportunity to say, Edo people, you guys, we say thank you very much for this well-deserved victory, for allowing the will of the people to come to pass. We are happy.
Our candidate, Engineer Eseosa Iyawe, is now elected as the rep. This shows that the people speaks, then power will bow. Engineer Eseosa Iyawe is elected now. We thank Edo people. Edo people came out very well to vote obedient. And now we are showing people that we are the structure, and the structure will prevail. God bless Edo State.
They're very peaceful. We not yesterday they fight for anywhere. We not really see they destroy things like that. And as a Labour Party candidate we support, we over happy. Our beliefs with us well. And we want to assure people of Oredo say, as this man don't we go there, so you not go let them down, you not go fail them. Oredo, they can bank on him.
Today is a happy day for us. We will be obedient family. So, God will grant us victory. Our Engineer Eseosa Iyawe, the victory of 2023 presidential election. So we thank God for everything. So Edo people, we thank Una well for giving us this victory. Thank you.
Thank you for voting our candidate for Labour Party, Engineer Eseosa Iyawe of Labour Party. We thank you for making us say we achieve our dream of becoming rep elect. Thank you very much. We say thank you now. The election was very peaceful, smooth, and everything was, although there was a little violence, they tried to scuttle the process, but thank God the will of the people prevailed. Oredo has decided. Oredo is Labour Party. Oredo is obedience.